Hello guys, Ender here. I'm going to make a video name. I don't know. What is this now? I just downloaded. I forgot. Sorry guys, but I'm going to start now. Now what is it? Skeleton. 2 bows, 200 arrows, leather chest plate. Gas. 10 flint and steel. 1 stone sword, 10 lava. What? Creeper. 120, 10 flint and steel. Iron helmet. Just iron helmet. What? Zombie pigman. 3 gold sword. Diamond chest. What is that? Chest plate on me. Blaze. 5 flint and steel. 2 bows. 100 arrows. Zombie. 2 diamond sword. Iron chest plate. Yes. Wither skeleton. 1 bow. 100 arrows. Arrows. Stone sword. Maybe I choose wither skeleton. Because it has 1 bone and 200. It is 200, I think. Oh, maybe. Maybe I will go. I mean, come here and here. What is this game? Okay. So guys, I want to screen that main screen. 2 battlefield medieval town made by. Wait. I'm going difficulty no easy. Second battlefield, the Grand City. First battlefield, Chinatown. Maybe here. Okay. Maybe this is a long trail. So slow. It's not already. What? Okay. Very long track. How long this is be? What is this? Oh, this is just okay. Okay, guys, I will meet you soon. I'm just going to pause. Okay, guys, I'm back now. I'm going to this door and a water. Oh, secret passage. No! I'm going to die. I'm going to drown. Please let me. Yes. What is this? China City. Maybe New York City. What is that? Okay. Now I will go. By the way, what is this? Oh, it's a dead end. Maybe this is New York. Where do I go? Here. Okay. What is this building? What do I do? Maybe. Okay. No. There's no one there. No. There's pieces. Skeleton. No. Yes. Go, let's go. But you cannot see me. I will win. Yes. I win. Oh, that is very. Yes, skeleton. No, fight. Yeah. Yeah, you get it. I am a human. And I run. Oh, I died. Yep. Hey. Just choose your more plus your behind. Okay. No underground. Diamond helmet, 1 bolt. Reader. Diamond chest plate. Diamond. 2 flint and steel. 60 TNT. Stick. Enderman. 64 stone block. 1 steel. An Enderman. But nope. Spider. Full leather armor. 4 wizard. Nope. Wither. Finish now. Steve. Teleport to stone. Nope. Steve. Hey guys. Read. Tasty water. 2 iron sword. Bye. Now, second, Hero Brian. Yes, I will choose Hero Brian. Hero Brian. And now, okay. Ready? Okay. It's daytime. I think no mobs can spawn in the city. Maybe in the town. What is this place? Second battlefield, the airship. The end. What the end? Okay, here. The net. Oh, there's a creeper there. Nope. Ice Kingdom. No. The Nether. Nope. Floating Island. Maybe. Okay. Okay guys, I will meet you back again. Okay guys, I'm back. I just run. I don't ride the minecart because it's so slow. Go down here. Please, down. Faster! Faster! I will drown now! No! Yes. Floating island. I think I remember this from the block one. Yes, I remember this. But the style is changed. Now who's my enemy now? I'm going to find zombies, skeleton, maybe creeper. Wow, nice design. The sign is, get it? You know Garcia. Yes. Okay, maybe this is a church. Is this a church? Yes, this is a church. That cross. This is a church. This is so boring. Okay, guys don't download this because it is boring. Yeah, but you can download this when you're going to multiplayer with your friends and have a PvP, maybe hide and seek, team battle. Yes. Okay, guys. Bye. Bye.